Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today I just wanted to have a quick video about Influenster. Influencer is basically a service that like you can review products for free, and they send you a box full of goodies and then you just review it on their website, or you can also promote it on Instagram, YouTube, whatever you want, and you just get it for free. So I'll just show it to you briefly. This is the box that I got. I got it like a while ago, and like it just says just for you. And sometimes they'll send you like a lot of times they'll send you a survey in your email. So make sure you check your email, and it will just have like a questionnaire to look up stuff. And then this is the card that they have with it, and it tells you like go to the app, try the products, and unlock badges, because they can give you more likely of a chance to get more stuff to review. And then these are just all the stuff that I got in my box, the ones that are checked off. This is just some random thing that was in the box, but I just thought it was good to show. Recipes. The first item I got was this chocolate, and at first I didn't think I would like it because it's hazelnut and I don't really like hazelnut, but it wasn't really bad. It was really good. It wasn't the best. I don't think I would get it again, but it was really good. And then this one is from Wet n Wild. Is there like liquid eyeshadow? I tried it on my hand and it really stayed for a long time, but I don't know, I'm not really into doing stuff like that, but maybe I should experiment more with makeup. I'm not really sure. But it was the full-size product and it's pretty nice packaging. The next one is also from Wet n Wild. Is their liquid matte lipstick, and it glided on really well and I like the color, but for my skin shade it kind of was like too light, so I kind of would suggest putting a lip liner. But other than that, it was pretty good, and a full size as well. And then for the last one, this is from C'est Moi. I've never heard of this brand, and it's just a shimmer body lotion. I mean, I would suggest using it for like maybe for the summertime, but like I don't know, pretty cool to try out new products that I've never seen before. Yeah, that's all for the box. Influencer is a really good service, and I've been using it for years now, and I'll try and link down my my Influencer profile down below, and hopefully you can also get free goodies as well. So now I'm just showing you the website and like how to navigate through it. So like when you first open it, this is the screen that you get. Basically there's different sections in the place that you can look to review products. As you can see from the menu, there's different areas that you can try. You can even upload pictures and review the products that you have. This is my notification section. This is the people I'm following. Please follow me. I don't have many followers, but yeah. These are snaps, which is stuff that Influencer, I guess, recommends for you to do reviews on. If you have ever tried those products, it would just give you like it will kind of be like a questionnaire type style, and then there's products that I can review if I have them. And I think that's pretty cool, because I guess they try and customize like the boxes, cater to the people that actually would most likely like the products, which I think is pretty cool. And the more you engage with the app, the more impact points that you get. And this is the part of the Voxbox that I just showed you. Like, it's part of the campaign, so everyone uploaded their pictures for the products that they got. Everybody gets different lip colors and stuff, but everyone gets the same within that campaign. And then there's like badges and stuff that you can do, such as this, like promoting it on your Instagram story, doing a recipe, doing those things, and you get more points and get chances of winning some prizes and stuff like that. 50 points for Instagram story. These are all the other stuff that you can do as well. It's a pretty good website. pretty good app. I like it a lot. I've been doing it, and I've been getting more Vox boxes as time goes, but I'm trying to improve my impact score, so I'm trying to do these more often. And you can browse here in this section and pick items that you want to review. You can even review everyday items that you have, and people will like it, and people actually comment and ask you questions. It's a good way to kind of like see other people's review on things before you try it out. But this is a good website, and hopefully you like this video. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe.